Farmers sometimes face surprise attacks from the very animals they care for. This video shows shocking moments of farm animals attacking humans. A trainer was suddenly attacked by a croc during a routine performance. In 2023, at least 453 crocodile attacks on people were reported. After feeding chickens, an aggressive rooster pecked a woman's leg, making her panic. Chicken attacks, while not severe, show even harmless animals can be dangerous. A goose grabbed a man's shirt with its beak, making him fall to the ground. It jumped on his back, pecking his head, forcing him to cover up and endure. On a quiet farm morning, an adult ostrich suddenly bit a man's hand hard, causing him to cry out in pain. When another man stepped in, the ostrich quickly switched targets, jumping up and pecking his head directly. In a peaceful field, a mother cow's protective instincts towards her newborn calf can create a dangerous situation. A scary incident occurred when a farmer attempted to touch a newborn calf. The mother cow instantly noticed and charged towards them, bellowing angrily. The two fled in panic, but the relentless mother cow chased them tirelessly. When a man held a rope to lead a goat, the animal unexpectedly reacted aggressively. The goat suddenly charged and rammed him, knocking him off balance and to the ground in shock. A large bull suddenly broke free from its rope and stormed into a house's backyard. Before the man saw the danger, the bull charged at him at terrifying speed. The impact knocked him down. Despite resisting, he was cornered until completely exhausted. A boar attacked a 62-year-old man, knocking him down and striking repeatedly. Locals tried to scare off the boar but failed. While hunting invasive boars, hunters risk being attacked themselves. Moment's hesitation can lead to severe injury from a deadly boar attack. This shocking attack occurred in a large, urban area in Russia. A man on a call suddenly faced a huge bear emerging from snow piles. A bear attacked, creating chaos as it chased the man. Hundreds of bear attacks on humans are reported yearly, mostly in forests. Most victims suffer serious injuries, needing immediate medical care. The usually gentle sheep turned fierce, leaving the farmer stunned. Sheep suddenly attacked him, making him lose balance and fall from the pen. A field erupted in chaos when a buffalo went wild and chased a group of farmers. Elsewhere, an aggressive wild buffalo charged at a vehicle, terrifying those inside and forcing them to flee to safety. A man fishing peacefully suddenly became the target of an enraged sheep. Out of nowhere, the sheep backed up, gained momentum, and charged at full speed. A powerful hit from behind knocked the man off balance, sending him into the water. It's a story that can't be contained. After feeding the flock, a farmer found himself chased by playful sheep. In Vindavan, a man was unexpectedly attacked by a group of monkeys. Bounced on him, bit him, and completely surrounded him. Attacks by these smart animals often put humans in dangerous, vulnerable situations. This usually well-behaved chimp, known for posing with tourists, suddenly attacked a coworker. The chimp's owner had to wrestle with it for 5 minutes to free the man. Even without showing aggression, an elephant's presence terrified local residents. The huge elephant blocked an approaching vehicle, sending driver and passengers into panic. A Texas street camera caught footage of a man being viciously attacked by 2 pit bulls. He tried to back away, but the dogs kept coming at him. Despite his escape attempts, they overpowered him, leaving him badly injured. Maybe this dog got overexcited, and instead of greeting the man, knocked him down. After being pulled back, the dog kept advancing as if it meant to attack the man. A man was savagely mauled by a bear, its powerful jaws biting deep into his body. The man blacked out as the bear dragged him with its razor-sharp claws, like prey. As the trainer approached, the horse suddenly kicked him in the gut with its hind legs. A kick sent a woman flying back, slamming hard onto the ground with a sickening thud. 2 large bulls rampaged through a convenience store, causing major damage. The chaos left locals panicking, scrambling to avoid getting hurt. In another incident, a different bull suddenly charged at a nearby gas station. At a festival, a bull unexpectedly rushed the crowd at high speed, knocking people down. Reports say at least 11 were hurt during the annual bullfighting fest in Guadalquivir, Peru. The rapid spread of invasive pests has farmers battling to protect their land and livelihood. Today we'll explore how farmers tackle millions of invasive animals. Monitor lizards are large reptiles, known for adaptability and voracious appetites. They've become a serious threat to farms. These lizards compete with native species, disrupting the ecological balance. Large monitors often disrupt farmers' lives, in the Philippines and Indonesia. The numbers farmers hunt them with firearms annually. Painting monitor lizards requires skill, experience, and proper tools. And use guns to kill these lizards. However, hunting season usually occurs during the dry season, when water sources dry up and lizards gather at small lakes or irrigated farms. Easier for farmers to find them. Monitor lizards are usually active during the day, especially early morning or late afternoon. They attack signs like droppings, burrows, or soft soil footprints. The hunters often team up to surround and trap the lizards. Snail lizards are drawn to strong meat or carcass smells. Areas lizards frequent rivers, ponds, or thick brush. The buzzards have keen noses, detecting food scents from afar. Farmers hide at a distance unseen, but with a clear line of sight. When feeding, lizards focus and lower their guard, giving hunters a shot. Hunters aim for weak spots like the head for a quick kill. Alternatively, they aim for the neck to quickly kill the lizard by damaging its nervous system. On a good day, hunters can catch about 20 monitor lizards. In 8 hours, double the usual amount. This is especially true after rain, when more insects are available for the lizards to eat. Monitor lizard hunting is an effective way to manage areas affected by this invasive species. However, it must be done responsibly, following local laws and without harming other animals. Hunting for livelihood is mainly seen in rural areas, among traditional communities. Farmers hunt monitor lizards for food or to sell their skins, providing extra income. About 368,000 monitor lizards are exported, with most being caught in the wild. The U.S. leads in iguana hunting, especially in rural areas. This is crucial for controlling invasive iguanas, which harm the environment and agriculture. Iguana captures keep rising due to their fast breeding and widespread presence in fields. In Southeast Florida alone, farmers catch over 3,000 green iguanas yearly. Rapid breeding and adaptability have made iguanas invasive in many parts of ZOA. They destroy agriculture and local ecosystems. These reptiles eat plants, mainly crops, causing major damage to farmers. Need to size up this guy. Iguanas disrupt ecosystems, reduce biodiversity, and unbalance food chains. Their invasion raises farm costs and lowers crop yields. Florida farmers hunt iguanas mainly in winter when they are sluggish and easier to spot. Spring's crucial too, as iguanas gather in warm spots near food and shelter. This time also aligns with a farming lull, giving more time for hunting. Iguana hunting needs skill and patience. They are fast and hide well. Farmers track iguanas, approaching carefully to avoid spooking them. To maximize hunting efficiency, farmers use precision rifles with scopes to ensure one-shot kills on iguanas. Florida hunters often rely on hunting dogs as essential companions. These specially trained dogs can detect and chase iguanas. Upon spotting prey, dogs quickly pursue it near riverbanks or rough terrain. And shoots the iguana, the dogs spring into action. As they grab the iguana and bring it back to the hunter's vehicle. On average, a group of farmers eliminates thousands of iguanas each hunting season. It aims to reduce iguana populations and protect crops and agricultural resources. Wild rabbits also pose a significant threat to agriculture and ecosystems in Australia. The rapid population growth caused widespread issues, and that's why farmers lose up to $50,000 yearly in crops to rabbits. Rabbits eat grass and crops, especially young plants, reducing yields. They also cause soil erosion and disrupt ecosystems. Australia's wild rabbit hunting season runs fall to early winter. The active then causing significant crop damage. NSW autumn wild rabbits forage to prepare for winter. They venture into dense forests, becoming easier targets. Rabbit hunting occurs early morning or late night, when they feed. As wild rabbits move swiftly and cautiously, using high-precision long-range firearms is crucial. Some farmers use precision rifles to aim accurately, minimizing environmental impact and protecting other wildlife. Traditionally, organizing group hunts increases the chances of capturing wild rabbits. Hunters spread out to surround rabbits, reducing their escape routes. On average, a group of farmers can catch 40 to 120 wild rabbits in a single hunt. Farmers often hunt wild rabbits at night, when they are most active and easily spotted. While foraging, strong lights blind rabbits, briefly freezing them for seconds, allowing close approach or accurate shooting. Night hunting eases rabbit spotting due to reflective eyes and fewer distractions, improving efficiency. Hunting demands precision, patience, and creativity. Many Australian farmers use advanced tools and tracking tech to follow rabbit trails. They study rabbit habits, like movement patterns to water or food sources. Pro shooters can kill over 1,000 wild rabbits in one night, especially after good rains. Hunting best helps farmers protect crops and reduce soil erosion. Wild rabbit hunting provides extra income for rural communities through food processing sales. This motivates farmers to keep hunting, aiding effective wild rabbit population control.